guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Lisa and I make all different type of lifestyle videos. Today's video is super exciting because it is going to be a gift guide, and I feel like with the holidays coming up, a lot of us are in need of some new gift ideas. So I thought this would be the perfect time to make a gift guide video. However, the gifts that I put together are not holiday specific. So if you are looking to get a gift for somebody for, a different occasion, like their birthday or something like that, these gift ideas are still perfect for those occasions as well. So the items I chose are things that either I personally would love to receive or gifts that I have given other people that have gotten really good feedback. So the way I organized the gifts in this video is kind of like in themes. So I kind of designed it to be more of like a gift basket or like a gift bag / bundle, where I group a bunch of similarly themed items so that you can kind of create one themed gift. Obviously, you don't have to use all the items I talk about, or you can mix and match things as you like, but just to give you more like an idea or some foundation, that's how I'm going to set up this video. So if you're watching this and you see something that maybe you like, definitely be sure to, send this video link to your friend and, give them a hint of some ideas of gifts that you would like to receive as well. So before I jump in and share with you the gift basket ideas, I do want to share with you one tip that is something I do that I think makes gift giving a lot easier when it comes time to buy somebody a gift. So what I do is I use the Notes app on my phone, and what I'll do is keep a running list of things that I think the person might want. So for example, this actually just happened like last month. My friend had told me a story that she was walking to school and her umbrella broke in the middle of the storm. So I jotted down a note. I said, so-and-so needs an umbrella because hers broke. So what I do is I just keep notes of things that people tell me they want, or I take note of things that people need from their stories so I can purchase those for them later. So I ended up buying her an umbrella for her birthday last month, and she was actually super excited about that. And it just shows that like you're being really thoughtful and keeping track of like actually listening to their stories, you know what I mean? Okay, so now that that little tip is out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you my specific bundles I have thought of for this video. Okay, so the very first gift bundle idea is gonna be an at-home spa or pamper day. So if you guys watched my latest video, that was actually my pamper routine video, you'll recognize a lot of these products. So things I personally would include in this gift bundle. First of all, I would include a bubble bath. So this one here is by Dr. Teal's. You can get this pretty much anywhere. All of the products I mentioned, I'll be sure to list in the description box down below so you can check them out. I would then add an eye mask or like eye patches. And these one here, I showed in that video. These ones have hyaluronic acid. I highly recommend these. They aren't super expensive, and they come with 5 masks in a box, or 5 pairs. In that bundle, I would also include a bathtub pillow. I love this, and it completely makes taking a bath just way more relaxing and enjoyable. I would also throw in a candle, and then if you want to throw in a couple of extra little things, I would do a couple of nail polish colors, and then also a Turby twist, which is just like a hair towel for when you get out of the shower. And I think that would complete my like at-home spa day kit. Also, sorry if the lighting changes throughout the video. The sun is kind of going in and out, and it's kind of reaching the end of the day. But my next gift theme is more of a little bedtime, nighttime gift set. So what I would include in that is a silk pillowcase. Silk pillowcases are really good for your hair to prevent breakage, and also for preventing wrinkles on your skin when you're sleeping. It's also just super smooth and soft, so I would do that. I would also include a silk scrunchie. Again, that's just a way to prevent hair breakage. I would include a robe. This one here is super cute, so I'll leave this link down below if I can find it. And then the last thing I would include in that set is a pair of fuzzy slippers. I love these ones right here. I got them on Amazon. I love the color. They're super comfortable, and they've been lasting and holding up really well. The next gift idea is perfect for if you have a student in your life. So if you have a friend who's a student, I think this is a really good idea to give as a birthday gift, and it's also super affordable. My friends and I do this for each other basically every birthday, and that is get each other new sets of colored pens and also new sets of colored highlighters. And then along with that, we always like to get each other planner pads. So this one here is just like a layout of the week so you can take notes. And then I think another really cute thing to add on to that is kind of like a little personalized lucky charm that goes along with whatever you're studying for. So for example, I have this one here, and as you can see, this is a little eye chart, and then there's a little pair of glasses here, and I feel like that goes really well with the school themed gift idea. My next gift theme is skincare, and so what I would do for that is include a makeup eraser. So what this is a microfiber cloth that helps to really easily remove all of your makeup. And I feel like it's just better than using makeup wipes because those always dry out my skin, or those would actually make me break out. Plus this is more like eco-friendly rather than using disposable wipes. This is reusable and washable. I would also include a ice roller. Literally, it's just what the name says. It's this little rolling device. You keep this in the freezer, and it feels amazing to apply this to your skin in the morning, especially if you wake up really hot or if you wake up really puffy. This feels amazing, and it's super soothing and really brings down any puffiness in the morning. I would also include a natural deodorant. This is my favorite one at the moment. It's by Native. This is the coconut and vanilla scent, and it smells so good. And I just feel like if you can use a natural alternative that works, why not, right? It's better for you. The last thing I would include in the skincare set is the starter kit by Tula, and that is my all-time favorite skincare line. So these are the full-size products just because obviously you guys know I love the products, so I buy the full size. But if I was giving somebody a gift, I would give them the mini starter kit so they can test out the products. I actually bought the starter kit for my sister for her birthday last year, and now she's hooked on the products. So what it comes with is I'm missing the cleanser. So the cleanser, which I have in my shower. So it comes with the cleanser, then it comes with the toner, then it comes with the brightening serum, and then the day and night cream moisturizer. So all of those are really good go-tos. I love all of them. And yeah, I just think that would make a really good skincare set. If you know anyone who's recently been doing a lot of more work from home, which I'm sure a lot of us do right now with everything being virtual, something I would recommend buying for somebody who's a student or even working virtually from home is buying them a laptop or desktop computer stand like this. So all this really does is help elevate your screen just a few inches, but it makes such a difference for the comfort of like your neck and back. Instead of always looking down at your laptop, the screen is closer to eye level, and that's gonna just give you a lot less strain. So that's something I would definitely get for somebody who works from home a lot more now. And then with that, I would also include a wireless mouse. I really love this one. I think it's super pretty. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just white and gold, and I love that it's wireless. And then I would also include something like this. I think this is super cute. It's just a little clock, and then what's cool is that it's also a timer. So it's really fancy. If you wanted, let's see if I can get this to focus. If you wanted to set a timer for 5 minutes to do a task, you flip the device over so that 5 minutes is on the top, and then it'll start a countdown for you. And I just think this is super handy and functional. It's also super cute. And yeah, I would include those three together for kind of like a work from home gift set. My next gift idea is for somebody you know who is trying to get into working out or is working out more from home now with everything going on as well. And I would include in that a like booty band or like a resistance band like this one here. I would throw in, they're stuck together, I would throw in some ankle weights, a kettlebell, a yoga mat, and then finally I would throw in a water bottle. And I feel like this is just like the perfect little at-home setup. And believe it or not, just adding these little weights really can make a big difference for somebody doing at-home workouts. And then my last gift theme idea is for somebody you know who is a homebody, such as myself. I actually received all of these items as gifts. So the first thing is a heated blanket. I did not know how much I needed one of these till my friend got it for me. Super just cozy and comforting and perfect in the winter. Another thing I would include is a 10-foot charging cord. Super convenient instead of hunching over when you're charging your phone at home. And then to complete that gift, I would include a mug filled with little treats and candy. Got this mug as a gift. And then the very last thing I would include is a card with a preset username and password to some sort of TV subscription like Netflix or Hulu or whatever. And I actually got that as a gift as well. So I feel like that makes the perfect kind of staying in type of gift. But yeah, that concludes all of my gift guide ideas for this video. I really hope that you guys found these gift ideas to be helpful. If so, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Also, if you found this helpful, please let me know in the comment section down below. And also let me know if you have any other gift recommendation ideas, because I definitely would like some recommendations as well. And let me know what your favorite gift basket is in this video. But yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!